A double pendulum as shown in figure below oscillate in the xy plane. As shown in figure below, omega 1 is equal to 2 rad per second CCW, that means counterclockwise direction, and omega 2 is equal to 4 rad per second CCW, counterclockwise direction. And what is h naught? That means angular momentum at this instant if m1 is equal to 1 kg and m2 is equal to 2 kg. The lower pendulum is connected to mass m1 by a pin joint and is free to rotate about this point. So this is m1 and this is m2, and this is a x direction and this is a y direction. So given m1 is equal to 1 kg, m2 is equal to 2 kg. Also omega 1 is equal to 2 rad per second and omega 2 is equal to 4 rad per second. And ROA is equal to R1 is equal to 0.5 meter and ROB is equal to 0.6, RAB is equal to 0.6 meter. Now we have to find the angular momentum about point O. So the angular momentum about point O, that is summation h naught is given by h naught 1 plus h naught 2. Here h naught 1 is r1 cos m1 b1 plus this is ROB cross m2 b2. Now we have to find r1 b1 and ROB and b2. For that r1 is equal to 0.5. so this is a I direction and this is j direction. So 0.5 cos 30 I plus sin 30 j. So this is 0.5 cos 30 is 0.433 I plus this is 0.25 j. Now we have to find ROB. So ROB is equal to this ROB is equal to ROA plus RAB. So ROA plus RAB. So ROA is R1 plus RAB is 0.6 cos 60 I plus sin 60 j. So R1 is 0.433 I plus 0.25 j plus this is 0.6 cos 60 is 0.3 I plus 0.6 sin 60 is 0.519 j. So this gonna be 0.733 I plus 0.25 plus 0.519. This is 0.769 j. Now we have to find B1. So B1 is simply omega 1 cross R1 and omega 1 is 2, and you know about the direction of omega is k. So 2k cross r1 is 0.433 I plus 0.25 j. So this is 2 into 0.433 is 0.866 j, because k into I is j, I j, this is k. So I cross j is k, and k cross I is j, and 2 into 0.25 is 0.5, and k cross j is minus of I. So this is minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j, and also b of this OB is given by b of OA plus b of AB. So b of OA is minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j, and b of A is given by omega 2 cross RAB. So this can be minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j plus omega 2 is 4k cross RAB is this 0.3 I plus 0.519 j. So this can be minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j plus this is 1.2 k cross I is j, and this is minus 4 into 0.519 is 2.076, this is I. So this is 0.5 plus 2.076 is minus 2.576 I, and this is plus 0.866 plus 1.2 is 2.066 j. Now H naught 1 is given by R1 cross M1 B1. So R1 is 0.433 I plus 0.25 j cross M1 is 1, and B1 is minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j. So this is 0.433 I plus 0.25 j cross minus 0.5 I plus 0.866 j. So this is I cross I is 0, so 0.433 into 0.433 into 0.866 is 0.375, and I cross j is k, and this is minus 0.25 into 0.5 is minus 0.125 k. So this is 0.7375 plus 0.125 k. So this can be 0.5 k. Now angular momentum about R2 cross M2 B2. So this is ROB cross M2 b2. So ROV is 0.733 I plus 0.769 J cross M2 is 2 and B2 is minus 2.576 I plus 2.066 J. So this is 0.733 I plus 0.769 J cross this is 2 into 2.576 is minus 5.152 I plus this is 2 into 2.066 is 4.3123 J. So I cross I is 0 and 0.733 into 4.12132 is 3.028. I cross J is K and this is and J cross I is minus K, so minus 0.769 into 5.152, so this is 3.96 K, so this is 3.028 K plus 3.96 K, so this is plus 3.028 is 6.989 K. Now the total angular momentum about point O is given by h01 plus h02. So this is 0.5 plus 6.989 K. So this is plus 0.5 is 7.48 kg meter square per second is the required answer.